Hey guys, in this full 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to add a POS payment option to your Wix website so customers can pay in-store or online seamlessly. First, log into your Wix dashboard and open your website editor. Go to Settings and then Accept Payments. Select POS payment from the available options. You'll need to connect a supported POS system like Square, Shopify POS, or Wix POS hardware. Follow the prompts to link your POS account, including setting up your register, tax rates, and payment methods. Next, choose where customers can use POS, online checkout, in-store pickup, or both. Test a small transaction to make sure the POS system is syncing with your website orders. Finally, publish your website to the POS option goes live, and customers can pay seamlessly online or in person. And that's how to add a POS payment option to your Wix site in 2025. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Wix tutorials every week.